So hey guys, the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S24 series is just a few months away. Samsung fans are buzzing with excitement as leak continues to pour in, giving us a sneak peek into what we can expect from Samsung's upcoming flagship series. The most recent leak has some interesting news about the Galaxy S24 Plus. It exposes two important specifications and one of them looks really promising, however the other specification could probably generate mixed feeling among users. First and foremost, the leak disclosed that the S24 Plus is expected to feature a hefty 12GB of RAM this time. This is a noteworthy increase from its predecessor, the S23 Plus, which packed 8GB of RAM. The S24 Plus now matches the amount of RAM found in the S23 Ultra and is likely to align with the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra as well. However, it's worth noting that the previous rumors also suggest 12GB of RAM for the S24 Plus. Though still keep in mind that there may still be a configuration with 8GB of RAM available. Potential buyers might need to be prepared to pay a premium for the 12GB model. Let's move on to not so promising part of this leak. According to the benchmark listing, it seems that the S24 Plus will come with an Exynos 2400 chipset, which is a processor made by Samsung themselves. This news may not be as exciting as some would want, since previous encounters with Exynos chipset have raised concerns about their performance when compared to popular alternative like the Snapdragon series. The tech community has been buzzing about the S24 Plus and base S24 smartphones, which are expected to use the Exynos 2400 chipset in most regions. On the other hand, the S24 Ultra is likely to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This difference in chipset implies that if you're looking for the highest level of flagship performance in a Samsung Galaxy S phone, you might want to consider the Ultra model even if the other models come with a RAM upgrade. As per the launch date, Samsung fans won't have to wait long to get their hands on the Galaxy S24. Samsung is anticipating to announce the Galaxy S24 series early in 2024, while the usual launch window falls in mid-February, just before the Mobile World Congress. But there are rumors that Samsung may consider an early launch in January, which could certainly kick off the new year with a vengeance of Samsung fans. Let me know what do you think about this in the comments down below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.